I hear them babbling in the background.
I need is Gunk in my life.
Is that Marianne?
Wait, hold on, let me put on my headphones.
Who's this?
My dog is barking at me because she wants to hear more. I mean, is Gunk in her life.
It's Mar-
It's
That's
Mrs.
Marty Ann.
Beaverhausen.
That's Beaverhausen?
Got another call coming in. Cincinnati, you're on the line.
All right, whoever that was, call back. Hello?
Yeah. Hey, Mo.
Who's this?
It's Crazy Robin.
Hi, Crazy.
Oh, wow. Hey, black girl. Hey, black girl.
Watch Dennis, Mo. Watch Dennis.
I like some shit.
Oh, wait, we have another phone call coming through. Please hold. I don't know.
We got calls.
Okay, we got calls. Hello?
Hello.
Who's this?
Marta.
Who from Florida? Oh, hi, Marta. See, Marta is a girl, everybody.
Oh, Florida.
Zero, bro.
See.
Hello, Kansas City, you're on the line.
Hello?
Well, Nick, I just calling in from Fairfax, Virginia. I just want to thank all of you for having me back on the deafening and the trial Gunk and Camille Vasquez, my Spitfire attorney, Camille Vasquez.
Oh, I'm crying.
Have sex during the course with Morgan in the deafening chat. I just can't thank you enough. And I want to invite everyone to join my legal team on Dustin Island.
Goodbye. Oh, my God, I'm crying.
What I missed? I'm sorry, I just came back from the bathroom.
Okay, hello? You're on the air.
Hi, it's me. Can I order some mashed potatoes and tomatoes? Thank you.
Hello, you're on the air.
Yeah. How many tomatoes does he want?
More calls in the wrap-up show, Monique.
Oh, I'm sweating. I'm dying laughing so hard. Oh, hold on. Hello?
Hey, Mom, it's me, too. I can't make it into work tomorrow. I got scurvy and syphilis by proxy. I have to schedule an upper GI series tomorrow. So I can't make it into work today and tomorrow.
Hello, you're on the air. I can't.
Monique, make love to me, Elena. I'm over at 17 Scarborough Lane right now on the beach. I want to make love to you on the beach with Larry. I want to threesome. Is there any way you can shave my chest and use an snare? Please, can you film us two with me, Elena? I saw you in Uncle Vanya. Be twitched.
Hello, you're on the air.
Hey, Monique. What's up?
Who's this?
It's Farmer Justin.
Hi, Farmer Justin. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm sweating. I'm laughing so hard with this phone just beeping off the hook.
Popular.
I have to hang up and pick up somebody else. Okay, hold on. Answer call. Okay, hello, you're on the air.
Hello, it's Becky from Brisbane. I'd like to speak with Miriam from Melbourne, please.
It's actually chocolate cone. There you go. Hey, everybody. It's great to actually speak with you.
Hello, you're on the air.
Yeah, $20 you can touch my tail. $10 you can watch me go in the litter box. These prices are not negotiable.
Hello, you're on the air.
Hello? Oye, Javier, dejaste tus calzones en la estufa.
A holiday is just another day. I know I'd rather be with me, but you should be with your family anyway, and I...
Hello, you're on the air.
Well, hello there.
Hello, you're on the air.
I love animals.
Hello, you're on the air.
Whatever you want, I want. If you want to, I'll give you the red light special all through the night.
Hello, you're on the air.
Hey, this is Fillmore. Don't forget to subscribe to my Patreon. Come on, I need money. Right click.
Hello, you're on the air. Oh, I'm dying. Hello, you're on the air.
I got an item I'd like to sell. I know it's
He's sketchy.
How are you?
I can't even think right now. I'm laughing so hard at these fucking numbers. I'm dying. Oh my god. Hello, you're on the air.
This is Fillmore. Please subscribe to my Patreon. I will put you to sleep.
Well, Fillmore gets around.
Hello, you're on the air.
Tu lengua in mi culo.
Oh, shit. Oh my god.
Look at Jackie. Look at Dennis's green screen.
He broke his green screen. I think Dennis died.
Hello, you're on the air.
Happy Diner. And some, I'm ordering a plate of vinegar peppers, pork sausage, a plate of tiramisu a la mode, maybe some pussy lips too.
Hello, you're on the air.
Hello, you buy warranty.
Hello, you're on the air.
Just take Rush Limbaugh for what he is. He's a shopping cart with a bad wheel that tilts to the right no matter what way you face him.
Oh my god.
Hello, you're on the air.
Get your money for nothing. And if the whiskers for free, do that.
It's Ron Jeremy. I touched my dick on your thigh in the 80s. I want to stick my dick in your tight asshole.
Hello, you're on the air.
Yeah, I forgot my order of tiramisu, pomodoro, primavera, and 2 boxes of root beer floats. And devil balls, please. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Can I tell you my favorite not to start road racing?
Hello.
When I see Beth smiling, motherfucker.
When I see Beth smiling.
I can't anymore. I gotta hang up.
See Beth smiling.
Last call. California, last call. You are the last call. What do you got?
Howard D. Hay?
Huh?
Ito en mi culo. Say Howard.
Hello?
Work.
Is Depp doing NFTs?
Forget. Ignore. Hang up. Hang up.
Hi, honey. How are you?
Yes, Tiger Lily, live calls would be dangerous. Do not recommend. Thanks for hanging with us. Please join us for any discussion at RadioGunk.com in the forum section. Follow us on Instagram or Twitter at RadioGunk. And don't forget to like this and subscribe to us and hit that little bell so that you know when we're going to have a new show. Thanks.